Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray, and today we're doing a smartphone camera test with the new OnePlus Open, the first foldable device from OnePlus. And this device is special for two reasons. The first being that it is a foldable device from OnePlus, the first one in their lineup. But the second one is that this is using a new camera system that we've never seen before on a OnePlus device, with a brand new Sony sensor that's supposed to capture essentially double the light of a traditional main flagship device sensor, but it's also paired with a 3x periscope camera that's a lot larger than what we typically see from 3x telephoto cameras on Samsung devices and the competition as well. But the ultra wide is also using a much larger half-inch sensor. Actually, the 3x and the ultra wide both use half-inch sensors. So we're going to do a camera test, show you some camera samples, photos, and videos to see how this performs in everyday use. We're actually going to be hopping on this boat right over here for dinner and checking out some of the skyline views of New York City. Let's take a look. Gonna go inside, get some food and some drinks. So, this is the very first OnePlus device that actually has 4K video capture. Oh my gosh, it just completely blew out the sky.
Gotta lock it.
Gotta lock it.
Yeah,
it just completely blew out the sky behind me, which they typically do. But 4K 30 FPS from the selfie camera on the front.
I know.
Which is amazing. We've been asking for this for a very long time, but also from the selfie camera on the inner display as well.
True. Now, I don't know what the quality looks like.
We're gonna, let's switch over to that one to see if it's any better than this.
Okay.
And here we go, 4K video capture.
Internal
Screen. This looks okay. We did have to lock the exposure on the sky because it was blowing it out. I think I'm too white, the sky is really light, and then you're too dark.
So How does it move so much?
The preview for
we
the
are on a
selfie
boat.
cam
That is why we
Why
are
is it
moving.
moving?
Dear passengers, Zoe still speaking 2020 at Michael Tingle. To your house, so check will be here at the B4 podium with your passport.
And that's going to do it for this initial camera test with the OnePlus Open. Let me know in the comments below whether you think this device is good enough to be used for your daily driver, for your photos and videos. If you want to see more camera comparisons with this device, let me know in the comments which device you would want to see the OnePlus Open going up head-to-head against. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.